protesting is your constitutional right. However, you can still get arrested for protesting in California, and here's how. Another way people can be arrested at a protest is if they're simply trespassing or vandalizing. You see videos on the news all the time of people throwing items, causing damage, starting fires, things like that. That's called vandalism, and that is still a criminal offense that you can be arrested for, even if you were, again, using your First Amendment right to freedom of speech. Finally, another way in which you can be arrested at a protest is Penal Code 419, which is essentially returning to restricted land. What that means is that you've already been told to leave by law enforcement, you return, and in that time you get rearrested now for this charge. Essentially, it's the officers tell you to leave, you follow their commands, but then you disobey and return. It's harder to obviously prove this in ways because you have to find the exact same officer that is the one accusing you. But again, it's another way in which you can be arrested for potentially trying to simply protest. After you are arrested for protesting, there are still ways to fight those charges. They're not something to where simply because you are arrested because you may have done something wrong, maybe you stayed too long, or maybe police mistook you for someone else and arrested you. There's always ways to fight these types of charges. In addition to the issues that always are going to arise under the First Amendment, your right to freedom of speech and freedom of assembly, as well as your freedom to protest, all those are protected laws and protective rights. And that's why sometimes in these types of protest cases, there are ways in which you can win your cases and defend yourself as long as you contact the right attorney to represent you.